Hello, my friends. In this lesson, we will truly learn about the absolutely best app that seamlessly allows you to enhance video quality for free and without any limits. This app works on both Android mobile phones and Apple iPhones. We open the app normally after downloading it from either store. After that, I tap on this spot. Then I tap on Start. After that, I will carefully tap on this specific spot. Then we will proceed to tap on this particular icon from here. The application, as you can see, has several distinct sections and a variety of other useful features, in addition to its impressive AI-powered enhancement capabilities. So with that in mind, we will navigate directly to this relevant section and gently tap on it to proceed. After that, you must carefully choose the very first option as it is completely free. We tap on this spot. Then we will click on this particular spot. After that, we will proceed to select the video section. Next, all of the available videos that are stored on your phone will immediately appear for your viewing pleasure. We will apply the explanation to this video. We will proceed to click on this particular item, and then we must patiently wait until the entire processing operation is completely finished, ensuring that the progress indicator meticulously reaches its full 100% mark. Furthermore, for your convenience, you also have the option to click on this alternative location here. Here, all the videos whose quality you have successfully enhanced will prominently appear. So we must patiently wait until the entire processing procedure is completely finished. You also have the convenient option to immediately cancel these particular videos' ongoing processing. Alternatively, you can choose to permanently delete all the videos currently listed here within the comprehensive history section. So, if this particular option happens to appear before you, simply click on it to initiate the retry process. This specific issue which you might be experiencing is primarily attributable to the fluctuating quality of your internet connection. After successfully completing the entire process, a prominent download button or a clear download option will then become readily visible. At that point, you can just click on it to retrieve your content. And finally, click on Clear from here. As you can clearly observe, the video footage has been successfully and securely saved directly to the phone's storage. When you meticulously compare the original unedited video with the newly enhanced and carefully edited version, you will undoubtedly perceive a very significant and remarkable difference in quality, clarity, and overall visual appeal, making the improvements immediately apparent to any viewer. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist features a wide array of diverse and engaging tutorials within which you will undoubtedly discover exceptionally important and highly beneficial guides that you are sure to thoroughly enjoy and from which you will gain significant advantages and practical knowledge. Goodbye, my friends.